The National Weather Service in Topeka has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Pottawatomie County in northeastern Kansas until 10:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 9:48 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over St. George, moving northeast at 45 miles per hour. This is a very dangerous storm. Hazard, 90 miles per hour wind gusts and half-dollar size hail. Source, trained weather spotters. Impact, you are in a life-threatening situation. Flying debris may be deadly to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be heavily damaged or destroyed. Homes and businesses will have substantial roof and window damage. Expect extensive tree damage and power outages. Locations impacted include northeastern Manhattan and Louisville. This is an extremely dangerous situation. The storm is producing widespread wind damage. Seek shelter now inside a sturdy structure and stay away from windows.